What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Jack. How old are you?
I'm 2 years old right now.
12 years old. Okay, how are you today, Jack?
I'm fine.
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Okay, Jack, let's start our speaking test. Okay, and I have some questions to ask. Let's start with your hobbies. Okay, can you tell me your hobbies?
My hobbies are grow and build development.
All right, and when it comes to food, what food do you like?
My favorite is chicken.
Chicken, wow. And what kind of dish, like what kind of food is the chicken that you like? Like fried chicken, what kind of type of food? Fried chicken. Do you know how to cook fried chicken? Don't know how to cook. All right, so can you tell me how do you keep your body fit and healthy?
So I eat often I eat vegetables and do morning exercise.
Do morning exercise, eat healthy foods, right? Okay, nice. Very good. Okay, so this time we will move on to part two, and that is you have to speak for 2 minutes because the situation is your friends from England will come here to visit you, and you need to introduce food from your country. So here we have foods, and what do you think food that you will introduce to your friends?
I will introduce them pho
Why? Can you explain why?
because it's very tasty and very cheap for me to buy it too.
Now, can you tell me the ingredients?
The ingredients is
Are
the ingredients are the special broth, chicken,
chicken,
meat, or pork,
pork. Okay, is there any
and rice noodles.
nice noodles? Okay. So what about herbs or special herbs? Yes, there is. Okay. Now, how much would that be? Is that pricey or expensive?
It's very cheap.
How much?
It's it's only about 10,000 Vietnam dong to 20,000 Vietnam dong.
Oh, they're very cheap. Yeah, everybody can eat and buy, right? Okay. Now we are finished with part two. Let's move on to part three. This time you have to talk about your own hobby. Okay, you have many hobbies, right? But your favorite hobby you have to discuss using these following suggestion words. Ready? Okay, let's start, Jack.
My hobby is drawing. The time I took up the hobby is
When I was
when I was 2 years old.
2 years old.
The ingredients is very simple. You just need a pen, some colors, and a paper to draw. The person I share the hobby with is my best friend, Long.
Okay.
I often draw it in Monday and Tuesday.
Monday till Thursday. Okay.
The reasons is
The reasons are
the reasons are it's very relaxed and
relaxing.
get off some stress after school.
Okay. Remove all the stress, right?
Mhm.
The stress after school, and what's next?
And there are a lot of things that we can draw to make a stickman,
Stickman, yes.
some animations in the YouTube.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's interesting, right? Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, Jack. See you again next subject.